upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we sift through the tech jungle so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. Yes, I said electrifying because, it's power supplies. We have two contenders that will make your watt-loving hearts race: the CORSAIR RM850 and the MSI A750GL. First up, let's talk about the price. The CORSAIR RM850 is priced at a cool $139, which some reviewers consider a good investment for quality and performance. However, the MSI A750GL comes in at a wallet-friendly $99, making it a popular choice among budget-conscious gamers. Reviewers praise the MSI for its great value, especially for those building budget-friendly systems. So in the price department, the MSI takes the cake. Next up, modularity. Both of these beauties are fully modular, which means you can connect only the cables you need. The CORSAIR RM850 boasts triple EPS 12V connectors for full compatibility with modern graphics cards and motherboards, which users have found to be a significant advantage. Meanwhile, the MSI A750GL is also ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5 compatible, and while it has solid features, some users noted that its cable management can be a bit challenging. Overall, both power supplies offer great modularity, but the CORSAIR edges out with its extra connectors. Now let's tackle the fan noise. The CORSAIR RM850 features a 140mm rifle bearing fan designed to keep things cool and quiet, even at full load. Plus, it has a 0 RPM fan mode for near-silent operation at low to medium loads, which many reviewers love for its quiet performance during gaming sessions. On the other hand, the MSI A750GL also promises to keep cool, but has some reviews indicating that while it operates quietly, it may not be as silent under heavy load as the CORSAIR. Overall, the CORSAIR claims the quiet crown here. Lastly, let's talk about longevity. The CORSAIR RM850 is built with industrial-grade 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, which users have praised for their long-lasting quality. Reviewers have noted that saving money on a power supply isn't advisable, emphasizing the reliability of CORSAIR products. The MSI A750GL comes with a 10-year limited warranty, which gives users peace of mind about its durability. While both options are solid, the MSI offers a longer warranty, appealing to those looking for longevity in their investment. In summary, the CORSAIR RM850 is highly regarded for its build quality, silent operation, and premium features, while the MSI A750GL is praised for its affordability, good performance, and ease of installation. Both products have their strengths and cater to different user needs. So, there you have it. The CORSAIR RM850 brings the heat with premium features and performance, while the MSI A750GL is your budget-friendly pal that still delivers the goods. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and drop a comment below on which power supply you'd choose. Until next time, remember, buy smart because your wallet deserves it. Outro music plays.